What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another review. This time we're going to be looking at the Osmo Mobile 3. Latest gimbal in the DJI line. Let's check it out. So this is the actual gimbal itself. This is what it's going to look like once it unfolds. You fold it down. It's on right now. It won't fold while it's on. You'll damage your motor. But basically you have a few buttons. So let's go ahead and get the real estate out of the way. Looking up close, you got the M right here. The M is your power button. If you double tap that button, it's going to change your orientation. If you triple tap that button, it's going to put it to sleep. And if you hold that button down, it's going to actually turn the device off. Right up here, this is your shutter button. That's how you take your pictures or start your video. Your controller is right here. This is how you're going to control your device. Your zoom is over here on the front. And then your trigger is back here on the back. If you double tap this, you're going to change your modes. If you press it one time, it's going to recenter. And a triple tap and a hold is going to allow you to go into sport mode. Then on the other side right here, you have a USB type A. You're going to be able to charge your device while it's actually going. Now, this is one big improvement over the Osmo Mobile 2, because once it was in the actual holder, it covered up your charging port. So big kudos to DJI for that. And this is your USB type C charging port right here. Then down bottom, this is where you're going to screw in your stand at. And I have the lanyard or the wrist strap that actually came with it already on there. Now, this is a 3-axis gimbal. It's going to allow you to get those nice steady pictures, those nice steady videos. Let's go ahead and show you how this works. So I have my Note 8 right here. And what you have to do is you actually have to launch this app right here. So this is the DJI Mimo app. You're going to launch that. And then it actually says phone is not mounted. So I've already set this up. What I'm going to do is put this in. So you're going to look for the actual DJI logo. Make sure it's right side up. If it's right side up, your phone just drops down in there and latches over the top. And now what I'm going to do, so wake it up from sleep mode. And there we go. So you actually have the actual gimbal with the phone whole setup. This is what it's going to look like in your hand. So if you want to lock onto it, target. So basically I'm going to lock onto this box right here. Once I lock onto it, I'm going to change directions of how I'm holding it. If I move around, it's going to still stay on that box. So pretty good device. It's holding up. I'm going to do more testing on this just because these are some of the best devices that I've used. Seeing as I don't have a cameraman to shoot my videos or have anybody to hold my cameras while I'm doing this, I rely a lot on these type of devices. So I'm going to be doing a full in-depth review just to show you guys. This is just my first impression and I really enjoy it. Now, I've used these gimbals, like I said, a lot before in the past, and this is no exception. It's a great device by DJI. You can actually move it that way. Please excuse the lights. So moving it around with the actual joystick, go up and down with the joystick. And then if you want to put it in what we call the active tracking mode, you're just going to put a box around the device that you want. And it picked up Ralph for some reason back there. We don't want Ralph. We want this box right here. Let's try it again. Got a box around it. Great. So now wherever I move this Osmo box, this is going to follow. Now, and it is moving really fast, guys. This is a big improvement over some of the other technologies that they have had, because it is really moving in that picture, in that video. So it's a good device, but I want to test it out and actually let you guys know more and more about this in a real world setting. So I'm going to take it outside, do some videos, do some photos, and just come back and let you guys know how I've been enjoying this, or if I enjoyed it at all. Now, to get rid of that active track, you're just going to click the little X that's on that box, and then you are good to go. So tons of features. We haven't even scratched the surface. So like I said, I'm going to test this thing out fully, and then we'll talk about all these modes, get everything reviewed, and I will come back and give you guys my final verdict in a few days, maybe like a week, just to give it time. I'm going to do a lot of videos and things of that nature. So as I mentioned, this is the Osmo Mobile 3. Great gimbal, great device, handheld. You can actually get a stand or a base for it as well. So check that out. I'm going to drop a link below so you can do that. But until next time, be sure and give it that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.